Well, hello, it's Candy from Order Your Steps, and today we're going to talk about organizing your car. It's relatively nice outside. There's a definite overcast. Temperature's in the 60s, which isn't bad, but it's probably going to rain. So we're going to spend some time outside, and then we're going to spend some time in the garage. I've always spent a lot of time in my car, especially with Xerox. I covered a large territory, but I seem to spend even more time in my car now that I'm retired. But as you can see, it's fairly neat and tidy because I don't like to keep a lot of stuff in my car. And for some of you, that may be your challenge. My challenge is now my trunk. It used to stay relatively empty, but now it stays full. Keeping my trunk organized from time to time is still a challenge for me. So I thought this would be a great time to do a 2020 update to that video for those of you that may need a little help in organizing your trunk. Hope you enjoy. As a professional organizer, you never know what you're going to need. So there may be a need for plastic bags. Let's see what I have. Folders, trash bags, label maker, and especially in these times, you need extra mask and extra mask and a whole bunch of stuff. But let me show you how I conquered the chaos. Let's start with an empty trunk. So I put my trunk organizer in position and I add my rolling cart, which is worth its weight in gold. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. How do I get all of this into that? So here we go. So I start with one section for my bags, all sizes of bags, sandwich bags, trash bags, etc. Now for your trunk organizer, it could be any number of things. If you have things specifically for your children, or you have specific things for your work, or just recreation, each section should be something different so that you will be able to find what you need when you need it. My next section is for office stuff. I have my folders, my label maker, extra markers, journals, and things of that sort. Then the last section is like a miscellaneous section, which every car needs one, just like your kitchen needs a junk drawer. There's extra mask. Always have my Bible with me. I even have a pair of slippers that a client gave me to walk around in her home. What's really great about the trunk organizer is when I need to haul, I just take the whole thing in its entirety and take it out. And when I'm done, it goes right back in place. And so now you have a well-organized trunk. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video, and hopefully you learned something along the way. But if you still need a little help in organizing your trunk, please don't hesitate to give us a call. This is Candy with Order Your Steps at 301-437-4610. Have a great day and stay safe and